All right. Hello, folks. So I arrived at the end of the lesson, and I presented my game already on the forum on the with the game dev community. But I was wondering like what I could add to my game to make it feel little bit better, and I wanted to work on like a different blueprint for a door that would open and close depending on the angle that it's open. So I ended up with something that I'm quite happy with. I'll show you in a second. Like that's what I ended up with. So the door opens and closes at a 90-degree angle. So it was quite buggy until I changed the functions with like constant values. So it was funny because I had to reuse most of what we learned and the whole chapter to make it work a little bit better. But it's still kind of buggy, as you will see in a second, because when I change the value of my angle of return, so you would think like, oh, it's 90 and it's moving at 90 degrees, so it's working perfectly. So if I put in 180, it should open 180 degrees, right? Well, no, I don't know why, but like my door is like struggling right now, and like to get 180, I have to put in 1. So I don't know exactly why that's doing that. I haven't been able to find a solution because I would love it to be like user friendly, um, where you can just type in the number of the angle that you want. But I mean, it's still doing what I want in the end. Oh, well, look at that. It's not. Well, I guess there's still some issues with my door, but oh, there we go. Oh, it's because the starting angle is different, I guess. I mean, as you can see, it's not perfect, but it still does what I needed to. And so when I play the game, I have all the interactions that I want, where the door is pushing me, and here I have to be quick, or I get pushed out, and that's not what I want. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit of my code as well, while I'm at it. Here we are. So this is the header. So I just added the the rotate platform back declaration, and here as well, like a boolean for if it should return back. And then in the C++ file, so I declared them again here. So should platform rotate back and rotate platform back, and these will appear like right here. So this is just using the should platform rotate back boolean. So if it's true, it will reverse the rotation velocity, which has been declared right here. So at first I thought I could like just do a subtraction and be like, hey, rotation velocity, like this, like rotation velocity equals minus rotation velocity. That's what was the case in the lesson where we were taking the velocity too. But since this is an at rotator, it doesn't work. And I was like, oh god, we have to find another way. And so this is the way. We have to declare a new variable, which is reversed rotation velocity, which is also f rotator, and just reverse values inside of it. So reverse the pitch, yaw, and roll. And yeah, that was like the main issue, I guess. And then so for the should platform rotate back, I use like another function inside, so I can use constants. So this is the get the z rotation amount, and this one is right here. So we get the actor rotation, and then we set the z rotation as, and then we just pull out the value of the yaw, which is like the z axis, and then we return that float. And so then we can compare the float of the z rotation with the angle of return, which is the one I have installed right here. And this is the default value of 90 that we have seen in the game. Yeah, so let me know what you think about my little door and what could be improved on, because I feel like this part is like the part that kind of sucks. Like I think this can be like way better, but I didn't find a way to like use it while like remaining kind of basic in my code, because I don't have like that much knowledge at the moment. So let me know what you think, and